Hello everybody, this is JJ's World. I've got a 2005 Nissan Maxima. It had the ABS, traction control, and the brake light all on. Thought it was the ABS module, I replaced it, and end up that wasn't the issue. The issue is, let me pop the hood here. The issue was, on this whole little scenario, right under this cover, there's a fuse box. So you want to turn on some lights maybe? Right under there, there's a fuse box right here. It has an ABS fuse in it. If you replace that, see if the ABS fuse is blown. If it is blown, replace it. It will fix it. It was actually throwing the codes p1212 and u1001. And it solved the complete issue. The codes erased and has never come back. The speedometer's working now. Everything working as it should. Give that a shot and see how it works on a 2005 Nissan Maxima. Maybe even the Altimas and all of those at the same time. Works awesome. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, y'all like and subscribe. I'll keep trying to put some videos out there. And just let me know.